Let's kick things off by exploring what an operating system, or OS, really is. At its core, an operating system is the essential software that manages all the hardware and software resources on your computer or device. It acts as a bridge between you, the user, and the physical components of your machine. Without an OS, your computer would just be a collection of parts with no way to communicate or function together. Whether you're using a smartphone, laptop, or even a smart TV, there's an operating system working behind the scenes, making everything run smoothly and efficiently. Think of the operating system as the ultimate manager. It's responsible for coordinating all the activities happening on your device. From running applications to managing files and controlling hardware like your keyboard, mouse, and screen, the OS keeps everything in order. It ensures that each program gets the resources it needs without interfering with others. This management role is crucial for multitasking, allowing you to browse the web, listen to music, and write documents all at once without your computer crashing. Story of operating systems goes back to the early days of computing. In the 1950s and 60s, computers were massive and operated with punch cards and switches. Early operating systems were simple, designed to automate basic tasks and manage hardware. Over time, as computers became more powerful and accessible, operating systems evolved to support graphical interfaces, networking, and security. Today, modern OSs are incredibly sophisticated, supporting millions of users and devices worldwide. Operating systems come in many forms, each designed for specific devices and purposes. There are desktop OSs like Windows, macOS, and Linux, which power personal computers. Mobile operating systems such as Android and iOS are optimized for smartphones and tablets. There are also specialized OSs for servers, embedded devices, and even smart appliances. Each type is tailored to meet the unique needs of its hardware and users, ensuring optimal performance and security. Every operating system, regardless of its type, shares a set of core functions. These include managing hardware resources, providing a user interface, running applications, and ensuring security. The OS allocates memory, processes data, and handles input and output devices. It also offers a platform for software developers to create applications that can run on different hardware. These core functions are what make your device usable and efficient. One of the most visible parts of an operating system is its user interface. This is how you interact with your device, whether it's through a graphical interface with windows and icons or a command line interface where you type commands. The user interface makes it easy for people of all skill levels to use computers and devices, providing access to files, settings, and applications with just a few clicks or taps. Process management is a key responsibility of any operating system. When you run a program, the OS creates a process for it, allocating resources like memory and CPU time. The OS keeps track of all running processes, making sure they don't interfere with each other. It can start, pause, resume, or stop processes as needed. This careful management allows your device to run multiple programs smoothly and efficiently. Another crucial function of an operating system is memory management. The OS keeps track of every byte of memory in your device, deciding which programs get how much memory and when. It ensures that each application has enough memory to run while also preventing programs from accessing each other's data. This protects your information and keeps your device running efficiently, even when you have many apps open at once. File system is how your operating system organizes and stores data. It manages files and folders, keeping everything in order so you can easily find and access your documents, photos, and apps. The OS handles file permissions, ensuring only authorized users can access sensitive information. It also manages storage devices like hard drives and USB sticks, making sure data is saved and retrieved correctly. Device drivers are special programs that allow the operating system to communicate with hardware components like printers, keyboards, and graphics cards. Without drivers, your OS wouldn't know how to use these devices. The OS manages drivers, ensuring they're up to date and compatible. This seamless communication between hardware and software is what makes your device versatile and easy to use. Security is a top priority for any operating system. The OS includes features like user authentication, encryption, and firewalls to protect your data from unauthorized access and cyber threats. It manages user accounts and permissions, ensuring only trusted users can make changes to the system. Regular updates and patches help keep your device safe from new vulnerabilities. Modern operating systems are designed to connect to networks, allowing you to access the internet, share files, and communicate with other devices. The OS manages network connections, handles data transfer, and ensures secure communication. Whether you're connecting to Wi-Fi at home or a corporate network at work, the OS makes networking simple and reliable. When it comes to desktop computers, 3 operating systems dominate the market: Microsoft Windows, Apple's macOS, and Linux. Each has its own strengths and unique features. Windows is known for its compatibility and wide range of software. macOS is praised for its sleek design and integration with Apple devices. Linux is popular among developers for its flexibility and open-source nature. No matter what you choose, the OS shapes your computing experience. Smartphones and tablets run on specialized operating systems designed for mobile use. Android and iOS are the two most popular, powering billions of devices worldwide. Android offers customization in a wide range of devices, while iOS is known for its security and seamless integration with Apple products. These mobile OSs are optimized for touchscreens, battery life, and mobile connectivity. Servers require robust operating systems to handle large volumes of data and multiple users. Popular server OSs include Windows Server, Linux distributions like Ubuntu Server, and Unix. These systems are designed for stability, security, and scalability, making them ideal for businesses and organizations that need reliable performance around the clock. Embedded operating systems are found in devices like smart TVs, cars, and appliances. These OSs are lightweight and designed for specific tasks, often running on limited hardware. Examples include embedded Linux, QNX, and real-time operating systems. They ensure that your smart devices perform reliably, even with minimal resources. Real-time operating systems, or RTOS, are designed for applications that require immediate response, such as medical devices, industrial robots, and automotive systems. These OSs prioritize speed and reliability, ensuring that critical tasks are completed on time. RTOS are essential for environments where delays could lead to serious consequences. Operating systems can be open source or proprietary. Open source OSs like Linux allow anyone to view and modify the code, fostering innovation and collaboration. Proprietary OSs such as Windows and macOS are developed and controlled by companies, offering polished experiences and dedicated support. Both models have their advantages depending on your needs and preferences. When you power on your device, the operating system goes through a process called booting. The computer's firmware loads the OS from storage into memory, initializing hardware and starting essential services. This process prepares your device for use, ensuring everything is ready for you to log in and start working. The boot process is quick and seamless thanks to years of OS development. Modern operating systems excel at multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications at once. The OS manages resources so each program gets what it needs without slowing down your device. You can switch between apps, copy data, and perform complex tasks seamlessly. This multitasking capability is a cornerstone of today's computing experience. Virtual memory is a clever feature of operating systems that allows your device to use part of its storage as extra memory. When physical RAM is full, the OS moves data to a special file on your hard drive, freeing up space for active programs. This makes it possible to run more applications than your device's RAM would normally allow, improving performance and flexibility. Operating systems support multiple user accounts, each with its own settings and files. The OS manages permissions, controlling what each user can access and modify. This is essential for shared devices, ensuring privacy and security for everyone. Administrators have special privileges to install software and change system settings, while standard users have limited access. Keeping your operating system up to date is crucial for security and performance. OS updates fix bugs, patch vulnerabilities, and add new features. Most modern systems offer automatic updates, making it easy to stay protected. Regular updates ensure your device runs smoothly and is safe from the latest threats. The operating system determines which applications you can run on your device. Developers create software for specific OSs, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance. Some programs are cross-platform, working on multiple OSs, while others are exclusive. The OS provides tools and libraries that help applications run smoothly and interact with hardware. Most operating systems offer a range of customization options. You can change the appearance, adjust settings, and install themes or extensions. Customization helps you tailor your device to your preferences, improving productivity and comfort. Whether it's changing your wallpaper or setting up shortcuts, the OS makes it easy to personalize your experience. Operating systems include accessibility features to help users with disabilities. These features might include screen readers, magnifiers, voice commands, and high-contrast modes. The OS ensures that everyone can use technology regardless of their abilities. Accessibility options are continually improving, making devices more inclusive and user-friendly. Many modern operating systems offer cloud integration, allowing you to store files online and access them from any device. The OS manages cloud connections, synchronizes data, and provides backup options. This makes it easy to share files, collaborate, and keep your information safe, even if your device is lost or damaged. Operating systems play a key role in managing your device's energy use. They control power settings, manage battery life, and optimize performance based on your activity. The OS can put unused components to sleep, dim the screen, or adjust processor speed to save energy. These features help extend battery life and reduce electricity consumption. The operating system provides tools for backing up your data and recovering from problems. You can schedule regular backups, restore files, or even reset your device to factory settings. These features protect your information from loss due to hardware failure, accidental deletion, or malware. Reliable backup and recovery options are essential for peace of mind. Operating systems include task schedulers that automate routine jobs like running updates or scanning for viruses. The OS can start tasks at specific times or when certain conditions are met. This automation saves time and ensures important maintenance tasks are performed regularly, keeping your device running smoothly. Most operating systems come with built-in tools for monitoring system performance. You can check CPU usage, memory consumption, and network activity in real time. These tools help you identify problems, optimize performance, and ensure your device is running efficiently. Advanced users can use these insights to troubleshoot issues and fine-tune their systems. Operating systems keep detailed logs of system events, errors, and user activity. These logs are invaluable for diagnosing problems and understanding how your device is being used. The OS provides diagnostic tools that analyze logs and suggest solutions, helping you resolve issues quickly and efficiently. Many operating systems support virtualization, allowing you to run multiple OSs on a single device. This is useful for testing software, running legacy applications, or separating work and personal environments. The OS manages virtual machines, allocating resources and ensuring isolation between them for security and stability. While most users interact with graphical interfaces, many operating systems also offer a command line interface, or CLI. This text-based interface allows advanced users to control the system with typed commands. The CLI is powerful for automation, scripting, and performing complex tasks quickly. It's a favorite tool among IT professionals and developers. Mobile operating systems feature app stores where you can download and update applications. The OS manages app installation, permissions, and updates, ensuring a safe and convenient experience. App stores are curated to protect users from malware and provide a wide selection of software for every need. Internet of Things, or IoT, relies on specialized operating systems to connect and manage smart devices. These OSs are lightweight and secure, designed to run on everything from smart thermostats to wearable fitness trackers. The OS ensures reliable communication and updates, making IoT devices smarter and more useful. Operating system updates are more than just new features, they're essential for security and stability. Updates fix vulnerabilities, improve performance, and sometimes introduce new capabilities. The OS makes it easy to install updates, often running them automatically in the background so you can keep working without interruption. When something goes wrong, the operating system provides tools to help you troubleshoot and fix issues. Built-in troubleshooters can diagnose problems with hardware, software, or network connections. The OS guides you through steps to resolve common issues, making it easier to keep your device running smoothly. Operating systems are constantly evolving to meet new challenges and opportunities. Future OSs will likely focus on greater security, cloud integration, and support for emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and augmented reality. As devices become smarter and more connected, the OS will play an even bigger role in our daily lives. Operating systems are everywhere, powering the devices we rely on every day. From checking the weather on your phone to streaming music on your laptop, the OS is working behind the scenes to make technology accessible and reliable. Understanding how OSs work helps you get the most out of your devices and stay safe online. Selecting the right operating system depends on your needs and preferences. Consider factors like compatibility, security, customization, and support. Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or a business user, there's an OS that fits your workflow. Take time to explore your options and choose the system that best supports your goals. There's always more to learn about operating systems. Many resources are available, from online tutorials to official documentation. Exploring your OS's settings and features can help you become a more confident and efficient user. The more you know, the better you can leverage your device's full potential. Developers rely on operating systems to build and test software. The OS provides tools, libraries, and environments for coding, debugging, and deploying applications. Some OSs are especially popular among developers for their flexibility and support for programming languages. Understanding your OS's capabilities can make development faster and more efficient. Privacy is a growing concern, and operating systems are responding with new features to protect your data. The OS manages permissions for apps, encrypts sensitive information, and offers privacy controls. Staying informed about your OS's privacy settings helps you safeguard your personal information in an increasingly connected world. Summary: the operating system is the unsung hero of modern technology. It manages hardware, runs applications, protects your data, and connects you to the world. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, understanding the OS helps you make the most of your devices. As technology evolves, the operating system will continue to be at the heart of innovation, powering the digital experiences of tomorrow.